how to pay on Monese. If you'd like to pay to your friends, family, or anybody using the Monese app, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is make sure to launch the Monese application, and this is the type of interface that you will be able to see. So once you're here, what you basically want to do is, once you're logged in, right at the bottom you will find an option that says pay. So just tap on the pay option right there, and once you tap the pay option, you can hit the payment button right there. So you can see pay, request, or standing orders. If you want to pay someone, select your nearby friends or whoever it is that you would like to pay, and tap on the new payment button there. And once you've done that, enter the first name, the last name of the person you're trying to send the money to, or if it's a business, you can select business. And once you confirm the transaction, your money will be successfully sent. This way you'll be able to pay on Monese. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.